Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to create 3D image using PowerPoint. So we are going to convert one 2D image into 3D image. So let's start. So for this, we are going to use PowerPoint. So first open your PowerPoint presentation. So from here, we are going to select blank presentation. Now delete this slide. Go to the new slide and we are going to add one blank slide. Okay. So one blank slide is added in your presentation. Now we require the image. Go to the Google Chrome and you can use any images, but see to it when you are selecting an image, see to it that the image is clear and proper. Okay, so I'm going to take this image. So right click, copy the image, or you can save the image first and then copy it in your PowerPoint presentation. So I have copied this image. So we have decreased the size of the image first. So we have decreased the size of the image. I will just flip this image. This step is not compulsory. If you want, you can flip the image or you can keep it as it is. Now we have to create one more copy of this image. So select the image and copy it and keep it aside. Now we have two images. First, we are going to select this image and see to it that both the images having same size. Okay, so first set the size of this image and then copy it and paste it. Now select this image. Now we have to crop this image. To crop this, first we will select the image and you will go to the format. Okay, in format here you will get the option called crop. So from here you are going to select crop and first we will crop the image. So you are going to point out here the black line and then you are going to crop it. So I am going to crop till here. Okay. Now again you have to select this image and then from here in format you have to give the border, this first one. Okay, simple frame white. This border you are going to give to your image. Now again you have to select the image and then go to the crop, and this time you are going to select crop to shape. Okay, you are going to select crop to shape, and in crop to shape you are going to select this shape, trapezoid. Select that shape, and as you can see here we are getting one orange point, so you are going to crop in this. Okay, like this. Now this is done. Now go to the second image, select the second image. Here we have to remove the background. So again go to the format. In format here you will see remove background option is there. Select that remove background option, and from here you have to select mark the area to remove. Okay, so as you can see, just you have to double click on the area which you want to remove, or you can just draw like this, and that particular area will be removed, or you can double click it. So while removing the image, be careful that the dog image is not disturbed while removing it. So you have to be very careful. Okay, so I have removed the background. Okay, and then you have to click. So now we have removed the background of the dog, of the image. Now we are going to crop this image also. So to crop, again you have to select this image, go to the crop option, and this time you are going to crop from downwards. So crop it properly. You have to match the this cropping with your this image. Okay, done. Now we are going to place this crop image over here in this way. That's it. So here we have converted the 2D image into 3D image. So this way you can take different images. After doing this, you can just select both the images and just group that images by pressing Ctrl G. And now this is one complete image. So in this way you can convert 2D images into 3D images. I hope you have understood. Try it practically. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.